Can't hear you. Make it happen. Make it happen. Make it medicine. 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 Make it happen. Just stay behind them and let them take the lead, all right? Thank you. Stand and let them finish it. Stay behind them. Give them a few steps ahead. You're not going to be down. A few steps ahead. Yeah, bring them in. Bring them Make it happen. Make it happen.
going back. Tell us.
Folks, can you show me back there, please, behind Vera and Gino?
Now just 1 second, hey, 1 second.
I know we are now, though. We're just going to clear it out. I'm going to walk into the gates.
No, this is just
The main you want to get the bench.
He
was jumping on the bandwagon.
He walked this 15 years. They want to walk.
Okay, yeah.
Just use to it, and we walk.
We don't want to be on top.
Exactly.
We want to be
Listen, folks, just for a few minutes, please, all right? Now, if you're Gino, walk ahead, about 10 yards ahead. The lads here want to take a few pictures and all. We walk behind them. So, they started this, let them finish it, all right? So if you don't mind, just take a step back, all right? Just take a step back. Please, if you don't mind, and if it's Tiger was move forward, just move forward. Yeah. Right, not about it, yeah.
Just stop it, the only one on the street is me leading you. Everyone else is showing me.
Come on, go back. Go back. Back. About 20 feet. Come on. Back. Come on. Back.
That's all right.
Come on. We're going back. Come on. Back up!
Make it medicine! Make it happen! 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 Take them out! Make it happen! Make it medicine! 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 Make it happen! Make it medicine!
You knew it up a bit. You want to get up to the gates. You want to get up to the gates. Push up the media.
Media move! Where were you all week?
Right. Oh, can you push back up there?
Exactly, where have you been all week?
Prick behind you! You have so many prick behind you!
So we can get up to the gates!
Alright, new one.
Yeah, this is right now. When it's on, you broke it.
New one, let's go. Please.
Come on, lads, get a little breathing space there, please. Fire runners.
Stopping the march, let's go!
60 seconds from the gate there, yes, and she was very emotional in a good way.
Here, lads, come on!
Keep it going, up to the gate! Up to the gate! There you go. Up to the gate! Here you go. You want to get up to the start of the gate, alright? Come here, listen. Keep me up with the rest.
Make it medicine! Make it happen! Make it medicine! Make it happen! Make it medicine! Make it happen! Make it medicine!
Come on, lads. Let them up to the gate. No, don't push. Don't push. Don't push. Relax. Everyone relax.
Make it medicine! Make it medicine! Make it medicine!
Will you make way now up to the gates there, folks, please? Lads, make it up to the side. Colin, we're up to the side there. That's amazing.
You need to push back. Come on, you need to push back, yeah. Have a bit of respect, lads.
Keep you back there. You back.
All right, Vera, here you go.
Folks, can we let you go to the gate?
Let's go to the gate.
Out of the way, folks. Move over. Sorry. Here.
Me and Vera just
Move and let her in.
me and Vera just want to touch the gate.
Where was the media when she was doing all? Let the lady in.
Joe, we ain't strong enough. Come on, you back off the camera. Let her in.
Social media, get out of the way! Let her in!
Let her in.
Social media, get out of the way! Social media, get out of the way! Social media, get out of the way!
Let her in.
Let her in!
For you'll never walk alone. Here, us here or here now, someone's having to think of a face and the watch all day.
Social media, well, I hate that social
Great to be
media.
up at the door and our
Lads, can you get out of the way to the girls?
RTE, let her in!
RTE, let her in! RTE, let her in! RTE, let her in! RTE, let her in! RTE,
Let her in! Where were you from the trip from Cork? Shame on you!
shame on the Legion! Shame on the Legion!
Go back there, go back and let the chair in there.
Push that in.
The media allowed in the gate and cheese now.
Out, sorry. Outside.
Go outside, please. Where's the minister?
Simon Harris, where are you? 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 Shame on you! Simon Harris, shame on you! Simon Harris, shame on you! Simon Harris, shame on you! Shame on you!
Sorry, beg your pardon. We're all the brave politicians.
Just really right.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Silence!
Hey, Joey.
Yeah, they're gone now.
No, in fairness.
Sure, he's sitting on the bench. You're there. Look at all the people around. Please, Aaron!
See if you can spot us.
No, just Chris. Do you know what? I hope he never gets fucking
Well, we did. I'm not sure if he's gone. It was very useful for me to be able to spot it. Very useful.
I don't know if she's still waiting for me. What? No, I'm not. Yeah.
I'd rather get used to it than
Alright, so you walk away with that one. Alright?
Give Ava our medicine!
I'll bring Larry straight away there now. He should be
Good to know many people are here. You didn't get any bit of No. That's up in your I wouldn't matter. That's the advantage of getting out early.
Hi Larry, are you
No, but
That's right, sir.
Afraid I have to stay.
Where are you from? Road.
How will I get out? No, how are you going to get out?
Sit those in the kitchen. Great, thank you. Coming out. I leave then there'll be some
Just when you need, just when you don't want it to.
Very big legs. Set off. Come
You know what?
Fianna Fáil is in coalition with Fine Gael at the moment without ministers. That's the only difference. They're protecting them all along, and what they're also doing is they're going to have games. Fianna Fáil will be in the next time, and Fine Gael will.
From there or something from this place. I don't know, is he? He gone? He was here, yeah.
Keep it civilized, that's what she asked. I know, but at the end of the day, she did say no.
I'm still hoping that we're a woman wherever she's gone.
How are you? Are you still here or are you gone?
Oh yeah. She's sitting there. She knows that 5 minutes. None of them is coming out for 5 minutes.
We are standing literally in the middle of the gate here. We're just wondering, see the way there's speakers set up just to the right with green plastic over them? To the right of the gate. Well, I'd say someone's going to go out and make a speech. Just, we're sort of wedged in here, and Joan wants to stay at the gate here because he's a clear shot of her. Would you mind trying to get somewhere near those speakers and, you know, just and we'll stay in our position here. If you're free now. I don't know if you're doing that. Sure. I tell you what, I'm officially permitted to treble whatever you're getting. Yeah, I'll tell her. Thanks, Jonathan. Cheers, bye. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's better to have it in here. More colour here. He said he's never missed the way today, so you'll have to pay him. I said we travel and
Are you bringing her in? Moving the chair up.
maybe I'll be around. Maybe I'll just give it to you. Maybe they're coming out.
Lift her up. Back, yeah, there now. See? There she's there, look. There. See?
48!
Oi! Now.
Left!
Just do that. Sophisticated. Teach you why it was at Leinster House. My phone number. Yeah!
Everyone needs to move back to the
better here.
All right there.
Can you put the ramp down?
It's very
Move
tight.
across, Johnny.
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
I'm coming out this way.
It gives you a walkway. No, I know. We have ours. We have ours.
If we can just, Vera's going to come out here, so we just make a little space for Vera to come out and address the crowd. She's obviously very tired and day, so if we could just give her a little bit of space. She's keen to come out and thank people and say a few words. Sorry, but can we just make it clear? We've got to bring a wheelchair through here. She's not going to be able to get through there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Block them, don't let them in.
Yeah. Guys, you couldn't just... Oh, sorry. Yeah, could you just a little... Just literally a few people, please. And listen, I think Vera would say that she's very keen to thank all of you, but she does want to get her message across to the nation as well. And that's not a disrespect to the people who've come out here today. So just make a little room for the press so she can get her message across to the people in the wider country.
Lads, just push back there a small bit.
Okay, Gino.
All right.
Vera, I think there's, we have a corridor Just all link each other there, will you? What's
You're
up?
letting me in here, I'm
I hope it lasts. Not that woman, that's the Lord Mayor of Ballyfame. Let her in there.
Crumlin.
Oh, sorry, Crumlin. There's a difference. Link each other around the country.
I need to know I'm a shit.
That's just all right there, yeah.
What's your name?
I'm a shit.
You get in, I'll go over there. No, I get in front of the meeting.
Just
I'll stand in front of the meeting.
So you going over there, right?
Just a little bit, please. If people just push back a bit. Move back 2 steps there, please. Please move back a little bit more. Will you just move back a little bit more? I know you all want to get a picture. Just move back a small bit. Just move back a small bit. Just hang on there, right?
Go on, little again, guys.
Oh yeah, sorry, go ahead.
No.
People might think I'm
If he touches you, I'll sort him out, don't worry. Right.
Just come here.
I just want to have my camera ready.
Where you want to put Simon?
Sorry, sorry.
Up on that spike up there, look. Wait later for that.
Wait later, yeah?
Guess what she wants for? Behind her, the cameras can pick it up. Garda, will you smile?
All right, folks.
There you are, camera.
John. All right, folks.
Are you doing Spider-Man?
There you go.
Oh, Gino!
How's everybody? Oh God. I think the last kilometre was the hardest part of that walk, I have to say. We've done about 240 kilometres from Mallow to here, and I can honestly say we had an amazing reception from every single town we went through the last 9 days, and I have a complete new understanding of Ireland and the ordinary people of Ireland. They're more than decent, they're amazing, and amazing response they showed. And they're well ahead of the people in there, because it's a very antiquated place, in not only personnel but actually in furniture as well. And the last 9 days have been about this woman and her family. And I said to Vera the day before we went on the walk that, you know, this is about her daughter and the many people that could benefit from medicinal cannabis. When we set off on this journey, in more ways than one, the metaphorical journey, we always said this was more than just about Ava. It was about the countless other people that could mentally benefit from medicinal cannabis. And we put forward the bill about 9 months ago at this stage, and it was obviously, many people were here on the 4th of December, that was passed unanimously, cross-party support 3 months ago. And yet, that bill hasn't been given a date for health committee. This government, I can tell you now, I've been a TD for a year. This government is deliberately trying to delay this bill. They don't want the bill to go forward. They don't want to see. They do not want to see the many people that could medically benefit. They've said that the HPRA report that certain conditions can be beneficial, but we want it to be beneficial for every condition where people can actually benefit. If you put yourself in anybody's shoes, such as Vera's daughter, or anybody's shoes that's in chronic pain or fibromyalgia, they should have the option to go to their doctor and say, look, I want medicinal cannabis, that could benefit me. That's a basic human right that people should have in this country. And if they don't believe it, we'll give it to them. And I guarantee you we'll give it to them. I'm just going to introduce three speakers that have walked a majority of the way of the last 240 kilometres. And the amazing thing about this walk is just ordinary people probably thrown into unforeseen circumstances not of their choosing. And it's circumstances that each one of us could actually find ourselves in. And that's the kind of the beauty of this 9 days. It's the randomness, the unorganised kind of thing about it, but at the end of the day, it's been a wonderful journey, and it won't finish here. It will not finish here. This is only the start of a bigger movement. And as I said, Vera said to me, we're not going home empty-handed. They have to make a decision. They have to make a decision. They're going to have to make a decision. They're going to have to make a decision somewhere or the other to guarantee this woman that she's not going empty-handed. Otherwise, we'll camp out here the next week.
Make it happen! Make it happen!
So I'm just going to ask this question, then I'm going to give you over to Lindsay. Is that okay? Have you been there? Yeah, no, Lindsay been there.
Go, Lindsay!
Oh, sorry.
Just one, why did you support this? Why did you go on this walk? What do you think about the government response to it and your view as well?
Well, I think it's incredibly important that when Vera said that she was going walking, because of the kind of, you know, the ambiguity when it comes to her own kind of application. She asked me, look, I'm going on the walk from Mallow back up to the Dáil, and I said, look, I'll support her every step of the way. If she wants to go the whole way, I'll step every step of that way, and I've done that, and I'll keep beside her side all the way. So, I mean, the legislation, the bill that we put forward maybe 3 months ago, the government are kind of sitting on their hands about it, and it has to be fast-tracked and put forward this legislation, because what this is all about is making medicinal cannabis medically recognised, plus also recognising changing the legislation in this country.
Do you think the government's delaying the legislation?
Oh yes, of course. I've no doubt about it. Absolutely no doubt in my mind. Simon Harris, the Fine Gael government and the coalition are absolutely deliberately going out to stifle this bill, and they will not get away with it, because the people are way ahead of them. They're way ahead of them, so they won't get away with it.
What will a change in the legislation actually do, do you know?
Well, obviously it will make medicinal cannabis recognised as a medicine, and it will give people a kind of a better opportunity to access that medicine, not to go through hoops, the whole bureaucracy about the licenses. So we'll give people a choice, a medical choice, and people should have the choice when they go to their GP. If medicinal cannabis can be beneficial to them, they should be given the choice.
So what do you think about what the Minister's been saying about, you know, putting forward an application, getting a consultant to sign off on it, all that thing? He says there is a process available at the minute. What do you say?
Yeah, well, it's a very kind of, it's a process, but it's frustrating. It's, I mean, Vera has, we speak about it, but that process has been gone through, and it's so many hoops and so much red tape that that's not sustainable. They have to change the law in this country, and that's what it is ultimately about.
Can we get a quick word of Vera just for
Gino, can I just say
right, I'll just go on, just Vera, go on.
Vera, can I just ask, that's okay, the last while, what's it been like and what you hope this achieves?
We were supposed to be behind the barrier, those relatives were back.
Sorry,
What the last week has been like? Last week has been, I suppose, the most challenging thing that I've ever done. I began walking from Mallow because our daughter's life has been in a precarious situation since she was diagnosed with Dravet syndrome 7 years ago. She's got some control, some success with her control of her seizures. I would say up to 80 or 90% with CBD alone, but over the last while, I mean, just last week she had 4 seizures again in one day. So based on the evidence out there, you know, medical evidence from around the world and testimonials from many parents around the world as well, the THC is necessary, is absolutely necessary to complement and activate the CBD to treat and reduce further the seizures. Simon Harris and the HSE have, over the last, I suppose, 12 months, clearly and deliberately changed the goalposts to allow or to make it completely impossible for us to achieve an application for medicinal cannabis. In June, they told us we needed a paediatric neurologist to prescribe medicinal cannabis, and when I did as much inquiring as I possibly could to find a paediatric neurologist, it became very clear that because the THC that we need to treat AVA seizures is legal at 0.02%, they cannot prescribe an amount of THC greater than that, to which we would need it in probably between 1 to 2%. The consultants, of which we have 2, are willing to get training abroad to bring themselves up to speed on the use of medicinal cannabis, but they're not going to be able to prescribe anything when the law does not allow THC as a legal substance within a medicine. That being, when it's over 0.02%, it's not possible for a consultant to prescribe that. The legislation that Gino has put forward is clearly the solution to allow consultants the necessary control to consider medicinal cannabis as an option for their patients, the same that they would consider any other medication, any other pharmaceutical medication, as an option for their patients. We don't have any more options with pharmaceutical medications, and it is clear from the evidence and the success of families in all over the world that THC and CBD combined is an extraordinary example of a new and dynamic medicine to move into the future. And with 11 countries in the European Union allowing medicinal cannabis to treat their citizens, our daughter is left in the mire in this country with no access to a product that is working for other people in other countries around Europe, which is legal in Australia, which is legal in Scandinavian countries, and I'm prepared to stay here. I am prepared to. I didn't walk from Havolach up to Dublin to have a meeting. I walked up to Dublin to highlight the fact that there is an injustice being done to my daughter, Eva. Simon Harris has never been, we have never mentioned or never imagined that Simon Harris is the Minister for prescribing anything. But Minister Harris is the Minister for Health, who has the authority to move this situation forward, and I expect him to do so.
Vera, you meeting with the Minister today?
Oh yes, the Minister. Oh yeah, the Minister got his private secretary Paula to. She's a very nice lady actually. He got his private secretary Paula to phone me. I got that phone call at about 8 o'clock last night, which was very late considering we were arriving up to Dublin today. In that phone call, Paula alerted me to an email which he was after sending to me, and she said it was urgent and that I should look at it. So I nervously went to open the email, and I found that in that email he suggested that we should have a meeting with our consultant, bring our GP and discuss the situation. Now, as we've outlined, there is little point in us having a meeting with our consultant and our GP at the moment, because although the consultants are amazed and delighted with Ava's progress with CBD, they're not in a position to prescribe anything containing THC over that limit. So it's in Simon Harris's hands to help us. Now, also regarding some remarks that were made inside the gates there just now, he said that he'd arranged a meeting. Now, what was actually said on the email was that he was willing to meet Paul and I. Now, in my experience, an arrangement of a meeting usually requires a venue and a time, of which I have neither. So I have been told that he's either not there at the moment or he's in a meeting. I'm not actually confident which is the case, but I have no time, I have no venue, so I have no meeting unless somebody contacts me to let me know where he is or what he expects to do. But I know what I'm going to do, so that's probably the most important. Yes, well, I mean, I will have to stay here.
Inside Leinster House or inside or where?
Well, I don't think they're going to invite me into Leinster House to stay.
They wouldn't even said we give you permission to use our tax money.
Do you know that
tomorrow? How urgent is this for you?
Well, you see how urgent it is. Put simply, Ava's seizures are chronic, and when somebody says to you that a child's seizures are chronic, it essentially means that they're multiple and that they are extreme and that they are violent and that they go on for possibly a very long period of time. Ava has had, 16, 20, 25 seizures in one day. Ava's seizures can go on for an hour, they could go on for 2 hours, they could go on for 20 minutes. It varies dramatically. But any seizure that Ava has leaves Ava with the possibility of being oxygen deprived to her brain, which would mean then that she could come out of that seizure brain damaged, or alternatively she may not come out of that seizure at all. So her options with her seizures include brain damage and death. So like my duty as her mother is to protect her and to do everything that I possibly can to get what is necessary for her. And as far as I'm concerned, if there are mothers over in Holland and mothers over in Germany and mothers in other countries around Europe that can get access to necessary medicine for their children, well then there's mothers in Ireland that need to get access to medicine for their children too. And it's Simon Harris's responsibility to organise that immediately.
Just a breaking news there. CBD, I had my online financial services withdrawn. I was accused of selling CBD and it was illegal. And I challenged him and he said, no, some of it is illegal. Then he changed the goalpost and started talking about people like you that got CBD and got some benefit. They have been denied the supply of CBD.
Okay, I'm just going to get. I just want to introduce a few people that were on the walk from the start in Mallow, and I'm going to introduce Lindsay Graham and Lindsay from Mitchelstown. Lindsay, we got to know Lindsay quite well, and Lindsay's going to speak for a couple of minutes, just her reasons why she's here and why she's walked the last couple of 100 kilometres.
And Lindsay, yeah, Lindsay! Hi everyone, my own name is Lindsay. I'm from Mitchelstown. I joined Vera and Dail for a walk. I am the mother of a 55-year-old
So like when they come up against the state, you just
Yeah, look. And Ryan is amazing because I first met Ryan on Monday week, and Ryan will tell you himself, he met Vera on Red FM, he's not book,